This particular Whelen Strobe power supply was blowing the fuse. There's the model number on it, 5ZF13, I believe, and it's fairly simple. There also have a lot of cold solder joints on here that you need to resolder. But this guy right here is what you need to replace. I'll put that in the description field, or if you want, I can fix it for you, not a problem. There's a link in my description for an eBay, and this is what it looks like. If you have other Whelen power supplies that are blowing the fuses, send me a comment or a message on my Facebook page, and we'll get it set up so I can fix it for you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'll see you next time.